Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A51 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do is to open the recents, and if you've got 3 buttons navigation, simply tap on the button with the square icon, and if you've got the gestures, just swipe your finger from the bottom to the center of your device and hold your finger somewhere here. After releasing, you can see the recents. If you want to, you can, for example, close only one of those apps, just find it and swipe it up. But if you want to, you can close all of them with only one click, just by tapping on this X button. And as you can see, we just got back to the homepage. We've got this information, which simply means that we just successfully turned off all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.